Welcome to today's Japanese tiny house tour. In this video, we will explore a stunning Japanese tiny house design that not only focus on the interior but also emphasize the importance of outdoor living space. This Japanese tiny house tour has been carefully crafted as a long-term residence, offering both comfort and functionality in a compact layout. One of the most striking features of this Japanese tiny house is the spacious outdoor terrace. Unlike many other small homes, this Japanese tiny house gives residents that chance to truly enjoy the outside atmosphere. The terrace is designed as a relaxing area where you can sip tea, read a book, or simply breathe in the fresh air to relieve stress after a long day. It is a perfect example of how a Japanese tiny house blends indoor and outdoor living into one harmonious lifestyle. As we step inside this Japanese tiny house, you will notice how every inch of space has been maximized for both comfort and practicality. At the back side of the home, there is a well-planned bathroom and toilet, giving the resident all the essential amenities they need. Above this section, the design includes an L shape of loft bed, making clever use of vertical space inside this Japanese tiny house. But that's not all. Just above the entrance area, you will also find another loft bed, creating additional sleeping space. This makes the Japanese tiny house suitable for not only for individuals but also for couples or even small families who want to live in a compact yet comfortable environment. In the central area of the Japanese tiny house, you will find a cozy mini pantry. This pantry serves as the heart of daily activity, whether it's preparing meals, making coffee, or enjoying a simple breakfast. Right next to the pantry is a flexible room that can be used for relaxing, working, or other activities. This space truly showcases the minimalist yet functional approach that defines a Japanese tiny house. What makes this Japanese tiny house truly special is its balance between modern living needs and a lifestyle that encourages connection with nature. The combination of a functional indoor layout with a spacious outdoor terrace make this Japanese tiny house ideal for long-term living. Whether you are looking for a home that helps you unwind from stress or a compact residence that still feels open and free, this Japanese tiny house has it all. So if you been dreaming of the home that brings together minimalism, comfort, and also harmony with the outdoors, this Japanese tiny house design is the perfect inspiration.